Hey everyone, today I'm having a family dinner. I've been put in charge of making peanut sauce. Let's make it the easy way. Let's go. Start off with 3 cloves of garlic, give them a good crush with a cleaver, and then mince them up fine. Set a small pot on low heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the garlic until it's nice and fragrant. But don't burn it. Get some dried galangal powder. It's kind of like a sweeter version of ginger. Turn off your heat and then whisk it all together. The real star of the show here is smooth peanut butter. We need 1 cup of peanut butter total. Ketchup mayonnaise or sweet soy sauce is absolutely essential to make this an Indo product. So you need half a cup of that. And you'll notice here that as you stir it together, it doesn't stir together easily. So you have to work this for quite a while. It will come together, just be patient. To add a little bit more saltiness, we're adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. To add some acidity and some zing, we're adding 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. However, it doesn't go in the spoon, it just shoots right over the side, so don't mind that. It will seem like the sauce will never come together, but trust me, it will. We just have to add 1 more super secret ingredient. Good old tap water. You need about 2 cups, but don't mix it all right away. Do it gradually, otherwise it will splash all over your kitchen. Bawang goreng, or crispy fried shallots, are basically just crunchy onions. You want 2 handfuls of these. They're great because they're easy and they prevent your house from stinking like onions for a week. Keep stirring for what will seem like forever, and add water according to how thick you want the sauce to be. Some people like it runny, some people like it a bit more thick. It's all up to you, just have fun with it. You could make it with a mortar and pestle and roast the peanuts yourself and all that, but it's a humongous pain in the butt, and I don't want to do that because I only have half an hour to get to my parents' house. So that's my easy recipe. We'll see you next time. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye-bye.